any field is a developed neural pattern. So, in this topic, I shall be discussing the complexities, the process, and the perfect application of development of neural pattern. So, let's start first with the academic life. Let's suppose there are two students, student A and student B. Student A, suppose his score is 95%, and for student B, the score is, let's say, 55%. So, teacher is same for both the students. So, why is it that there is a difference in the marks? So, scientifically, difference in marks is because of the difference in the output executed by the two students, which is ultimately related to the neural patterns of the students. And if by certain mechanism, let's say this is the difference is because of the neural patterns, and if by certain mechanism we can transfer the neural pattern of A in the brain of student B, then B will also perform the same. So the fundamental cause of difference in output is the difference in the neural patterns of students or in any person. So by developing those neural patterns or by transferring those patterns to the students, certainly their efficiency can be improved. So this is the vision behind all this video series, that if by certain mechanism we can develop the neural pattern of an ordinary student and can explore an optimal path of betterment of life. So this is the vision behind all this concept. So now I shall explain the process in detail. So suppose that I'll start with the student, that how students can develop the neural pattern. So let's take example of a class. Suppose a teacher is teaching in the class, he is giving certain information. So what the teacher expect is, he expect the student to absorb this information and to absorb plus use this information to give certain output, or we can say certain answers.